Okay. Hi everyone. Happy Friday, as much as it can be. We are preparing for Shabbat Gadol. Unfortunately, we cannot be together, but we'll be together in heart. Just FYI, Adlakat Nerot today is at 7:05. Now, in preparation for Shabbat, I found online a really interesting game, a fun game that we call Spot It, but for Pesach, the Pesach version for Spot It. As you can see here, and what Liana has been doing so far. Can you tell them what you've been doing?
I've been cutting them out.
And preparing the pieces for the game.
For the game.
Right.
And the plain ones are for decorating.
Exactly. Thank you, Liana. We will put the link right in this after this video, and you can download, print, cut, and prepare it for Shabbat, so you can play during Shabbat Gadol, the Shabbat before Pesach. Thank you. Bye. So Liana and I cut the papers, and now we have enough to play a game, a whole game of Spot It Pesach. So you can make it fun by first of all, the rules are the same rules as Spot It apply to this game. You give one to each player, and then when you flip it, when it faces up, if you identify the same picture or the same image, you shout it out. What's the images? By now, in our family, we try to make it a little bit fun. So in the context of Pesach, we can say Chag Sameach or something like that every time you identify your image in the new card. Okay? So Liana and I will play. Liana, do you want to shout out Spot It or Chag Sameach?
Chag Sameach.
Okay. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Chag Sameach.
What did you find?
This.
Magen David. Okay, into some Magen David.
Sameach.
What? Again?
Yeah.
What is it? Magen David again? Okay, fine. Chag Sameach. The 5 books. חמישה חומשי תורה. 5 חומשי תורה. Okay.
And you also have 5
5 חומשי תורה, כן. Shabbat Shalom everyone and Chag Sameach.